How's it going, fam? It's Erica with Not Your Average EDC. Today we are doing a pocket dump. I have a lot of stuff on me. We're doing a lot of testing this month, especially with all of these Reeve knives that we're putting head to head. So I figured I would show you guys the full carry. So we have small Sebenza 31 in S45. And this is the same exact thing. Small Sebenza S45 with the micarta inlay. And then I have two in S35. We have a 21 here, small 21. This is a really old one. And small exclusive in Cosi in S35. This one's just beautiful. Look at this thing with the black gun coat. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. And let's just watch that action on the 21 one more time. Wow. Silky smooth. The reason I'm carrying all of these, obviously, is because we're doing testing head-to-head. That's why I do not need this many knives or this many Sebenzas, but they're all going up against each other this month. Then, in my watch pocket here, I have a Victorinox Spartan. And this is the black oxide finish one. So all of the tools are like this strange black color. It's still shiny, but it's black. So we've got that. On my belt here, we have the Tale of Knives. I believe this is the solo sheath. And inside I have the Victorinox Spirit X. And there is a review, a full review on this on the channel under my gear review playlist. The pen is the Tactile Turn Mini Slim Bolt Action. This is a really nice little pen. And my wallet is way down in here. Ugh. Failsafe Good Sidewinder. And it does have a little Ultim bead on there from Urban Carvers. Also in this pocket I have a Phoenix PD25, the old model. So this one has the tail cap, and then you go through the modes with this switch on the front. I don't run pocket clips on my flashlights, generally speaking, because I just drop them down in my pocket. And we have the Nice Guy Machine Company Plain Jane bar, which is a titanium pry bar. He makes a couple versions of these, and it has his Ultim bead on it, which is called the Be No One bead. And it hides that lanyard knot really nice in there. Then I have my iPhone and chapstick. Back pocket, notebook. This one's really old and beat up. I really need to grab a new one. And then this back pocket, a bandana. And that's it. Definitely overload, but I mean, when you're testing gear, you kind of have to carry it and use it in order to do a review on it. So That's why we carry a lot of stuff. I wish this would focus for you guys. I did just film a quick video doing some testing with this knife. That should be up before this actual video. This is a really nice user. And this 15 DPS edge is absolutely a necessity on these Chris Reeve knives, I'm finding out. You really do just need to lay that edge back. This thing is insane. Look at how beautiful it is. So yeah, lots of testing being done with these guys. Week 3 update will be on the channel this weekend for all of the Chris Reeve knives. I'm running these two without pocket clips. So these have the filler tabs, which I actually really enjoy. Look at how clean that looks. Let's check this one out. I feel like this looks so much better. This particular one with the inlay here looks so much better with a filler tab as opposed to a pocket clip. Look at how nice that looks with that lanyard. Nice pretty edge on there. Oh, this one's bitey. Beautiful. Action is really settling in on some of these newer ones since I've been using them so much. This one I'm trying to keep kind of hydraulic, so this one's a little slower on the drop. But some of these are running really smooth, like this one especially. And when you take that clip off of the 21s at least, you're not having that pressure on that lock bar. So, I mean, these will just, if you break them in, you take that pocket clip off, you have nothing putting pressure on there, these things will just drop. Like, how many Sebenzas can you do that with? Not a lot. This Nkosi is pretty darn smooth too. But again, trying to keep some of these kind of more hydraulic. So this one's got a little bit of resistance, but not as much actually as this one. And then this one I think has the slowest rolling action currently. But breaking in really nicely. That's all I've got for you guys today. I'll see you on the next video. Go use your shit. Learn how to sharpen your knives. I love you all so much, and I will see you soon. Peace.